Via the Reaper by Blue Oyster Cult is played in standard tuning with no capo. The main riff of the song is based around three chords: an A minor chord, G chord, an F chord, going back to a G chord, but we don't actually play the full chords. For the A minor chord, we're going to put the second finger down on the second fret of the D and the third finger down on the second fret of the G. We're going to pick open A, D, G, going to open G. We then go to our G chord, but we only need the third finger at the third fret of the E and the second finger at the second fret of the A. We're going to pick E, A, D, G. Okay, so the A minor bass chord to the G. We're then going to move to an F bass chord, but we actually only need the first finger at the first fret, the low E, and the third finger at the third fret, the A. Same picking pattern as we've just played, E, A, D, G. Then back to the G chord that we've just played in exactly the same way. So a nice easy riff played slowly: A minor, G, F, G, A minor, G, F, G. And up to speed. There's one other main guitar part in the song that uses power chords. We've got the F power chord to start with, first fret on the low E and third fret on the A string. We're going to strum 1 and 2 and or 4 hits. Move up 2 frets to 3 and 5. This is like a G power chord. 3 and 4 and, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Up 2 more frets to an A bass power chord, 5 and 7 on the A. 8 hits there, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so F, G, A. Back to the F, 1 and 2 and. This time we go to an E minor bass or an E power chord. Open E, second fret on the A. So the F, 1 and 2 and then E, 3 and 4 and. Up to the 5 and 7 again for the A power chord. This time we do play it slightly differently. We're going to hit down 3 times, 1 and 2. Go to open E and 7th fret stays where it is for that last hit. So 1 and 2 and down to 5 and 3, 3 and 4. And catch the low E string open there. So slowly that 4th bar there is. Okay, the whole thing so far is the F, G, A, F, E, then A, finger off, G, finger off. And again, one more time. F, G, A, F, E, A, G. And then we go through this little section where we're just going to repeat 4 hits on an F, 4 on a G, 4 on an A, 4 on a G. So F, G, A, G, F, G, A, G. Repeating. Good luck jamming along with this fantastic song. Happy practicing and take care.